Hello guys, welcome to Dance IT Network. On my previous tutorial is we're able to examine and observe the routing table on this router and on this router, and we're able to identify the reason why this router cannot reach this network and this router cannot reach this network, right? So what we're going to do right now is we will create a static route on this router and also on this router so that this PC can communicate to this 2 PC, and also same thing on this 2 PC would be able to communicate with this computer. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go on the first router, and then let me move this so that you can see. All right, okay, here. All right, and I'm gonna hit here, enter, type enable to go to the privilege mode, type CompT to go to the global config mode. Okay, and now let's create a static route. So to create a static route, I need to be in a global config mode. Okay, I need to type the command IP space route. Okay, and then I need to type the network. Okay, so the network, since I am on this router, so I need to type the network that the network that I cannot communicate with, which is this network, right? So I need to type the this network, which is 192.168.4.0. Okay, so you notice that it is network IP address is 4.0. Okay, and then let me spread this furthermore. Okay, and okay, and then space. I need to type the subnet mask on this network, and it's a class C, 255.255.255.0. Okay, and uh, and then the next command would be um, I need to choose which next hop. Okay, so to this router. Okay, if I want to reach this network, I need to go to the next hop, which is the next router. Okay, which is I need to type the IP address on the next hop, which is this one, the 10.0.0.2. Okay, or I can just type going out on this serial interface. We're gonna go out. Okay, anyway, if the packets will go out on this serial 01/0, it will still go on this next hop, which is the 10.0.0.2. So whatever you want. But on this tutorial, I'm gonna type here serial, okay, 0/1/0. Okay, meaning it will go out on this interface, and still it it will still gonna go on the next hop, which is on this one, and we'll be able to reach this 4 network. Okay, so hit enter. All right, well, that is fine. Okay, that is just a warning message, and I'm gonna need to save the configuration by typing do space right. Okay, and then um, let's go on the next router. I'm gonna close this on the second router. Okay, I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna hit enter, type enable to go to the privilege mode, type CompT to go to the global config mode. Okay, and let's do the same thing, IP route. Okay, so this time is we need to create a two static route for this network and this network. So we'll go first with the one network. So it is 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Okay, and let me spread this a little bit. Then space. Let's say go goes out on this. I want it to go out on this serial interface. Okay, or I want to go on the next hop. So on this router, let's say let's do the same. Go out on this serial interface. Okay. Um, Let me type here serial 0/1/0. Okay, and hit enter. It's good. That is just the warning message, but still the IP route will work just fine. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the two network. Just type up arrow key, and we're just gonna change the 1 to 2. Okay, and then hit enter. All right, and then let's save the configuration by typing do space right. Okay, all right, and then now let's exit. Okay, and then let's try to view the running configuration. Show run. Okay, it's space. Okay, so now it is showing that the IP route that we created. Okay, this is on the one network, and this is on the two network. Okay, and this time we want to show the routing table. Okay, let's check. So show space IP. I'm sorry, it is and then space route. Okay, and now let's spread this one. Okay, or there you go. Okay, all right. So I am on the router 2. Okay, and then now you notice that the network 1 and network 2. Let's see. Now it is showing now on the routing table. Okay, so it says in here, all right, S, which is stands for static. Okay, we created a static route. All right, so and this is static route. There is a static route, um, so it can reach the 192.160.1.0. Okay, and it's directly connected to a serial 0/1/0, which is here because it goes out. Okay, so for this router to reach this network, it goes out on this serial port to reach this one network, and same thing, okay, as well on the two network. All right, though this router now can see now this two network on its routing table. Okay, and then let's type exit in here, and let's check on the other router. Okay, I'm gonna click this router, and then gonna type exit in here. Okay, and then so I am on the privilege mode. I'm gonna type here show space IP and then route. And so and let me spread this for us to see the information clearly. Right. So we want this router one to reach the 4 network, right? Which is this one. So now let's see. All right. So there's a static route, okay, and it can now see the 4 network, and is directly connected to a serial 0/1/0, which is here. Okay, so in order for this router to reach this network, we set up an IP route command to go out on this serial interface to reach this 4 network. Okay, and you see, as you see on the um, routing table, is it is showing, and it's a static. So let's exit. Now, final step, let's try to ping. Okay, I'm gonna ping from this PC to this PC. Command prompt, and then let's up arrow. Okay, and then let's try to ping this one. Hit enter, and it should work. There you go. Okay, all right. The reason why it got timeout in here because of the MAC address registration. Okay, but on the second ping it should work just fine. Okay, let me do it again. There you go. Okay, and let's try to ping this PC. Okay, I'm gonna uh, click the or tap the up arrow on the keyboard. I'm just gonna change this to 2.2. All right, and it's registering its MAC address. Yeah, press timeout, and there you go. And now it's working. Let me do it again. All right, there you go. When I close this, so meaning that if you were able to ping on this PC and this PC, then definitely that this PC can also communicate to this PC and this PC to this PC. So it's working.